Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to change your Spotify username. So your username is designed to identify you on Spotify. So you can change it. You don't need your username to log in. Instead, you use your email address and password or login with the method you use to sign up, like Facebook, Apple, or your phone number. Your display name. A display name replaces the username where it shows on your profile app and playlist. You can't use your display name to log in. But if you go to the Spotify app and you go to settings and you go to your profile and press edit, you can change your name. This could be your first name or your nickname. It's how you'll appear on Spotify. So if you just want only my name, so this will be the display name. But as I told you a while ago, you cannot change your username. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!